This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by creating the form now. Open Google Forms and tap the plus icon to start a blank survey. Give it a concise title and write a one-line description so respondents know purpose and time required. Once done, choose where responses go, link a new Google Sheet, or keep them in the form. Make sure to set the language and ownership, because that determines sharing defaults and who can export data later. Now you build the survey body. Add questions using the appropriate type for each data point, multiple choice for categories, linear scale for satisfaction. Once done, group related items into sections to reduce fatigue and enable conditional branching. Make questions required only when essential, and apply response validation for formats like emails or numbers. Also include images or short instructions where clarity matters, because small cues increase completion rates and data quality. Finish by previewing and testing the entire flow. Submit sample responses to confirm branching, validation, and spreadsheet capture. Make sure settings match your goals, collect emails, allow one response per user, or permit edits after submission. Once live, monitor responses and open the form link from an incognito window to verify public access. If something breaks, clear the browser cache, verify sharing permissions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.